Johnny.
Who did this? Oh?
Three burgers? Really? Don't you point at that dog. You have ketchup on your whiskers. I'm not listening. You're both in trouble.
Who broke the eggs? Come on, who did it? Oh my gosh! Look at her face!
Ow.
What happened? Buddy, did you step on him? What did you do? Look at this mess. No, sir. You don't dump flour on the cat. Bad boy.
Mom! This cat is checking my meat quality. Why is it poking me like I'm a supermarket chicken?
It's just touching you.
Touching? It's tenderizing me. I am not marinated enough for this. Somebody stop this furry shit.
Mom! Help! The cat is testing me like I'm today's special on the menu.
It's just touching you.
He's literally checking if I'm crunchy enough. Don't let him preheat the oven. He's imagining me with ketchup.
Hey, I see you. That's not for you.
He's just curious. Let him look.
Look? He's already planning a robbery. Ha! Touch it again and I'm calling the police. Do you love me? Will you marry me? What is this? You don't know anything except this word. Stupid cat. Wedding cancelled. You.
This?
Like this, 15 on that, 15 on that.
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Stop, Redman! Quit! Ow!
Hey, buddy. What you doing?
What are you doing?